How to buy and order on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily buy or order any product on Amazon app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. So the first thing you will need is the Amazon shopping app. But if you don't find it on your phone, you can directly go to its browser as well. That's fine. You can go to browser and head over to amazon.com. I'm just going to show you with the app. First of all, open up your app and make sure to log into your account. And once you're sure that you are logged in, you are just going to find for the product that you want to buy. So for example, if I want to buy a product, I'm just going to search for it. So if I just search for USB cable and hit enter, it will show me the best results for USB cable. So as you can see, the first one is $8, second one is $9, and so on. So I'm just going to tap on this one right here. Once you see the details of the product, you can head over to below and tap on add to cart. You can also select your quantity, how many you want. Once you select your quantity, tap on add to cart. Now, once you add to cart, the product will be added on your cart. Just tap on your cart section on the bottom. Now, here you can just go ahead and scroll down to checkout. So tap on proceed to checkout. So here are two items that I want to check out. First thing you need to do is select your delivery address. And once you do that, you will have an option to add your payment method. You can either add your credit or debit card, or you can also add a personal checking account. And once you have successfully added your payment method and you want some discounts, you can add this gift card or promo code on your checkout. So if you have any valid codes, you can enter here. It will be applied to your checkout and you can get certain discounts. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.